Okay, so I'm gonna do, say, a stripe here, kind of like a Y-shaped stripe in the middle, and then another stripe right by the tail. So I'll start with that Y-shaped one, and just do exactly that. I know I'm not in the center of the tile, but
Oh, you can see.
Can you see it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just gonna cut out a Y.
So you kind of eyeball that, right?
I
No
eyeball
big
it,
deal.
and I'll try it. This may not be long enough. Let's check it out. Actually, hope nobody's noticing how rusty my blades are. Okay, so it's just going to go on there, kind of like that. And I'm going to trim those edges off so that it looks like it's going around his back. And then I'll do another stripe.